Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to track freelance projects and deadlines using TODOIST, your 2025 complete guide. First up, let's create a project. In TODOIST, go to the left-hand panel and click on the plus Add Project button. Name your project something relevant to your freelance task. The reason we do this is to keep all tasks related to a specific project in one place. This way, you can focus on one project at a time without getting overwhelmed. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks to our project. Go to the project you just created and click plus Add Task. Type in the name of your task and hit Enter. Repeat this for all tasks related to your project. This helps us because by breaking down your project into smaller tasks, you can manage your workload better and avoid multitasking, which can often lead to missed details or mistakes. Next up, it's time to set deadlines for each task. Click on a task and then click on the Schedule button. A calendar will pop up. You can either choose a date from the calendar or type in a date manually and hit Enter. Keep in mind that the deadlines should be realistic and achievable. This step is important because it gives you a clear timeline to follow and holds you accountable for your work. Now, let's talk about prioritizing tasks. TODOIST has a feature called Priority Levels. Click on a task and then click on the Priority button. There are 4 levels you can choose from, with P1 being the highest priority and P4 being the lowest. Prioritizing tasks is essential as it helps you focus on high-priority tasks first and ensures that important tasks are not left until the last minute. Lastly, let me explain why tracking progress matters. TODOIST allows you to see your progress in real time. Each task you complete will be marked off in TODOIST, giving you a sense of accomplishment. This matters because it motivates you to continue working and gives you a visual representation of your progress. And that's it. A quick and efficient way to track your freelance projects and deadlines in TODOIST. By using these steps, you can stay organized, manage your time effectively, and never miss a deadline. Thanks for watching. And remember to keep making progress, one task at a time.